we're heading to Target, everyone's favorite weekend destination, as I can see by the crowds here. He's making fun of me because I'm essentially like an 89-year-old woman. I hate crowds and I hate stuff. So I didn't re-laminate my brows, by the way. I've been using this refi and I'm still super into it. I use it in a makeup video, if you guys didn't catch that, about my like fall makeup look. But we are headed to Target. We're gonna look at the Christmas decor, starting to get the lay of the land. I have a plan. I have a plan for my Christmas theme this year and I'm freaking over the moon about it. Someone here isn't quite as excited as I am, but I'm gonna sell them on the idea. So we're gonna look at Target stuff, but the most exciting thing we're doing today at Target is baking a pie with the apples that we picked when we went apple picking. So we're gonna get a pie pan, just like some butter and some like staples. So I will also give you guys a preview of what's going on at Target with holiday stuff. Do you agree that the holidays get earlier and earlier? Like, I didn't used to even think about Christmas until after Thanksgiving, and now I just feel like there's a rush, everything sells out. Tell me I'm not the only one. I wore these Fabletics slippers out of the house as shoes with my outfit, and I'm pleased with that decision. I don't feel ready to approach the winter wonderland. I'm trying to take deep breaths. Oh God, here we go. The important question is which kind of tree, collar or skirt, and which kind of star. Last year they sold out of the basket ones I wanted, and I really love this, but the man's isn't as sold as me. This is pretty. I just wonder if it's too shiny for all of these like fun kind of neutral colors we're doing. I'm loving these bottle brush trees in the natural color. I think we're gonna wait on the poinsettias, even though I really want them. We're gonna flank the front door with them. Christmas candles. Oh, it's like a Christmas ornament ball. This one is a tree that opens and it smells so good. But we just got some from Anthro, so I'm trying to contain myself.
Cypress and
oh no, let's smell it. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh shit, look what I found. I have never shopped this early for Christmas ornaments at Target in my life. So everything's fully stocked and this is a whole new world to me. Let's see what you found. This is exactly the vibe I'm looking for. Yes, I love it.
It's not real though.
Yeah, we were gonna get fresh. What do you think?
It's up to you, baby.
I am digging these. They're really heavy and I don't think they'd be like conducive to hanging, but they're so cool, this garland. We are working on the apple pie, and by we, I mean this guy. Right. I'm doing some stuff. I'm gonna make a new batch of cinnamon water and I'm gonna be the sous chef on this pie. So this is what we got from the Container Store, and I just got the eggs from Target, so I thought that I would load up the eggs. Let's do it. I am way too excited about this. Simple yet satisfying. I cannot wait to put this away. Got a small one for berries and another one for produce. Let's do those. Count answer.
Of course.
Wow, you're good at peeling. Wow, wow, wee wow. This is the crumble for the top. Okay, so we're just gonna put the butter in and we're just gonna combine all the dry ingredients.
Because we're making what kind of pie?
Dutch apple pie.
Oh my god, it's actually coming together.
Yeah, it's coming together. This is the only pie plate at Target. Hey! Ah! Hey! He pointed out that it's an apple weekend because, so I just am making my favorite little, what is it? Like apple cider in Manhattan that we've been making. And I got a new Apple MacBook. We just made apple pie. So here's to an apple weekend. And we are making apple cinnamon water. I do love an apple weekend. What can I say? Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. We're gonna cut it soon. Oh my gosh, this smells so insane. Do you hear that?
No idea.
I'm so excited. Oh my god. I cannot wait to try this. Oh my gosh. That's embarrassing. Allie and I are at a restaurant called Alta for the first time. It's kind of in my neighborhood and it's so beautiful out here. They have a really great playlist. And this is like kind of like an old fashioned, but it has an ube foam on top, and I have never seen anything like that. Oh, look at your nails. This is so sweet. I just got a knock at my door and Sparky had sent me flowers and he just said he had such a magical weekend. I just ate pie and coffee from the pie that we made this weekend for breakfast. I'm in my PJs and this is a beautiful start to the day. I did my little morning routine, feeling good, have a lot to organize and do this week, so I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but we got this. Aren't they pretty? There's a sunflower. I would show you guys some of the stuff from Target that we ended up getting. So I got this garland. This is by Magnolia Home. I got all these cute little mini trees. These were all in the dollar spot. So these I thought were a super good option. They have so many. These were not in the dollar spot, but these little glass ones were. And so I was gonna mix them all together and I just thought they were really fun. This was also in the dollar spot and I was pretty impressed with that. This was $5. They had other ones that were like $15 or $10, but they were like the same and I thought this one looked better. So as you can see already with my existing decor, like this is such a vibe. And look at this one. This one is so cute. This one literally matches my little chandelier. So how cute is that? I'm gonna put the flowers that Sparky sent in this vase that I got. This was $20 from Threshold, which I thought was a pretty good deal because it's really thick, solid glass. And it has these really beautiful like speckles in it. I don't know, I was pretty impressed. Can't wait to show you guys these lanterns because I have been dreaming of these lanterns. Like I wanted to get them like, I don't even know, maybe a couple years ago, like a year and a half ago at least when I was doing my back patio. So I got 2 big and 2 small because I want to like have a beautiful front door flanking. My mom's died, obvi. So when after Thanksgiving, we're gonna rid of the pumpkins, I'm gonna do a poinsettia on either here or a mini Christmas tree on either, maybe both, and get some big pillar candles in here, but I just think it'll be such a beautiful little holiday moment. I'm also really tempted to put these by the fireplace, which you can't really see now because I have my sofa in front of it, but I'm gonna be kind of re-zhuzhing and redoing this room. I really want to get a new sofa. I kind of want to like redo the vibe of this room. It'll still be somewhat similar because I like love this piece of furniture and there's a few things that I love, but I want a new coffee table, a new rug, a new sofa, new art. That's another thing we want to work on. But anyway, I think that the lanterns could be so pretty at the base of the fireplace there was kind of a vision that I had. We'll see. For the first time in my adult life, I might put Christmas lights outside the house, which would be a huge deal. This hair is wild. Sparky kind of got into the idea and he wanted to like measure. He was thinking it could be really fun. So I think we might put lights outside this year. Heavens to Betsy. It has been a wild day in here. We have a seamless stand set up. I was gonna switch out my curtains and then I realized this would probably just be easier. I just shot my first cocktail recipe ever and I'm very excited because Sparky and I have been loving this, as you've been seeing on my vlogs, and a ton of people have asked for the recipe. So I'm gonna be putting that up soon. It'll probably already be live on my Instagram and TikTok before this goes live. But like we've got some holiday cheer. I ordered a ton of like little bits and bobs from like Walmart and a few other places, like really like cute, funky Christmas accessories. We're gonna do the real Christmas decorating soon. But I basically tore the entire house apart making holiday content today. So I can't wait to share that. I'm gonna edit it now. I'm gonna drink this cocktail because duh, have dinner. I only ate a perfect bar today. It really is bugging me that the light is going away so early. Just behind the scenes process of shooting stuff can get real messy in the house. And I think I'm probably just going to not clean this up tonight and deal with it tomorrow. But I did wanna show you guys my little side room. Oh, don't look at all this. My little side room, it looks so nice being so empty. And I have this really beautiful archway that I think could be a really fun shooting backdrop. I've also forgot that I had this fun vintage panel that I got. So I feel like there's so many, don't look at my backstock. There's so many things I can do with my space that I'm not doing. So one of my New Year's resolutions, which I don't know, are those bad? We'll talk about it later. But one of the things I'd love to like sort out soon is how to utilize every area of my home, really make it work for me, pare down, organize, and just make every little corner functional, beautiful, and yeah, we're gonna work on that. Kaisha just came over and first of all, she looks freaking hot like usual. This is illegal. I was trying on a bunch of like Amazon dresses to try to decide what I should wear for Thanksgiving and to share them with you all, but she brought something special. Do you wanna tell us what you brought us, Kaisha?
Okay, so it's from there's this little like muffin what
Do you know the Muffin
Man? They call it like, so it's from this little place called Tiago, and they call it a cherry bomb. So it's like this cherry. It's on the bottom. There's like
I'm dressed like a cherry bomb.
Oh my god.
Am I not?
You did.
This is red, and I don't want it
meant to be, obviously.
Okay. Well.
So the little inside. So inside it has like cream or like custard, and then like
it's like a croissant on the outside. Look at this. Can I just peel one part off? Oh, I got goosebumps all over my body.
It's like crunchy.
Wait, but there's something on. But there's something on the inside.
There's something on the inside.
My mustache is wetting. I'm gonna cut it. Hold on. I'm gonna cut her in half. So I want to make sure we both get like. This is the way to do it.
Okay. I told you, it's got like custard on the inside.
I just choked when this erupted from the middle.
So what you do is like you take the little pieces
and you dip it.
You dip it.
Hold this. This is important for the people to see.
Hold it.
What? Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Thank you. Love you. Whoa. Good morning. I woke up late. Somebody else woke up early and prepped all this stuff because we're doing our own little Thanksgiving today. Got everything prepped to make stuffing. So we're just listening to Christmas music, having coffee. We've got a big old turkey brining in here. Ate another apple pie last night, and we are having, our own Thanksgiving weekend, the weekend before Thanksgiving here. I'm working on my cornbread. If you guys want this recipe, let me know. Maybe I'll just put it in the description here. I've been making this recipe for like 8 years or more. I am obsessed with it. My friend brought it to I was in a small group and she brought it to like a function, and I like got the recipe and I've been making it ever since because it's so easy. Just went out to the garden and picked some fresh rosemary, and so I chopped it up, and that's all in there, and I'm gonna finish making it. But I didn't have a bread pan. I lent it out and I can't find it. So I have this like muffin tin. So we're gonna make little cornbread muffins, but I think they'll be really good. I'm just gonna add some butter, eggs, milk, etc. And I will show you guys when it's out of the oven, but I will put the recipe below. It takes like not even 20 minutes to make, probably. And it's just a crowd pleaser. I love this as like a Christmas gift. I used to make them for all my neighbors, and then I'd buy like new tea towels and twine, and I'd like wrap it in tea towels as like a little Christmas gift for all my neighbors. So if you are looking for something cute or neighborly like that, this is a good one. We decided that we needed to have apple cider mimosas today. Oh my gosh, this is the scary. Hey, turning that turkey. Oh my. That's what that red thing is?
Yeah.
Oh, yep, I get it. Wow. Yes. We're gonna put a fresh cinnamon apple in there because wine not. Woo. We're gonna finish up this cornbread. I'm gonna whisk the wet ingredients into the dry ones. Ooh, whoa. My God, look what just came out. Veggies going in. Ooh. We've got our stuffing. It looks amazing. We've got mac and cheese. It looks amazing. Turkey, carved. Gravy, slaps. Cornbread, about to be hot. Oh my God, so here's our plate. We have our stuffing, our mac and cheese, our turkey, our cornbread. We're gonna add, oh my God, we're gonna add gravy on top. Our veggies aren't quite done. I'm really happy with this. Oh my gosh, now we're just gonna light the candles. So good. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so amazing. We are playing this couples edition of We're Not Really Strangers. We're just starting on first round. We ate a real good job of our food, and we're waiting until we're hungry for pie. So we thought we'd play this. And we just got asked that one of the questions is, what would I most likely be fired for? Is this something that's suitable for the camera to hear?
I think so, maybe.
Okay, what? What do you think I'd be fired for?
Missing a deadline.
Missing a deadline.
Yeah.
So being late.
Kind of, yeah.
He thinks I'm late. Come on, I'm never late. I'm literally always late. If our relationship was a Netflix series, what would it be called, and what episode are we on? Ooh, we made vodka cranberries, an elevated one, and it was Sparky's idea to put the rosemary. He said the rosemary leaf looked like a little Christmas tree or branch, and I agree. Pretty proud of these. We're really cranking out the Christmas cocktails. Let me know if you guys want a Christmas cocktail recipe video, because we've just been having fun with making some up this weekend. That was a little sunset break, but Paisley's here today.
Hello.
And we're shooting some fun stuff for Walmart. You guys will see the haul when it goes up, but we're trying to shoot some more creative content for Instagram and TikTok. So head over there if you want to see how these turned out. We've got a full set. Like, this is a different level today. We're operating at a whole new level.